How to mute the main sounds on your Android phone using the available sound settings. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Now, tap Sound and Vibration. Here, you'll find the volume controls for different types of sounds. To silence incoming calls, move the ringtone volume slider all the way down. Next, lower the notification volume to mute notification sounds as well. If you don't want media sounds to play, lower the media volume too. You can keep the alarm volume at your preferred level, so important alarms can still make a sound when needed. After adjusting these volume controls, your phone will remain quiet for calls, notifications, and media. And that's it. That's how you can mute the main sounds on your Android phone directly from the sound and vibration settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.